Hey guys, and here in this video I would like to show you how to replace your reverse turn signals in 2017 Honda Pilot, just in case if yours are out. And same thing is gonna be if you have to remove. I'll show you how to remove the tail light, because you'll have to do this in order to get to your turn signal. So actually it's a very simple procedure, and this system works already for many years for Honda. All you have to do, you have to remove these two screws, 1 and 2. And after that you'll be able to get the bulb, the light out, and get to the bulb. So just take a Phillips screwdriver and get the screws out. 1 and left hand. Okay, 1 and 2. Now this at this point is gonna be, it could be a little bit tricky. The thing is, because if the light sits in hard, you'll have to wiggle it out. You will obviously use 2 hands when you do this, but I believe it should come out. Okay, yeah, 1, 2, 3, easy. That's how the light comes out. Very simple. So here is our turn signal right here. This is turn signal bulb. In order to get to it, I mean, you saw how to get to it. If you need to replace it, you just pull it off with the fingers. Right now I don't have gloves. I don't want to leave my oils on it, and yeah, no, let's just skip this part. Once you have a new bulb, take this out, put the new bulb in, and wiggle the same way the light back in the housing. Find the correct position and spin it in till it clicks. That's it. You're all set. Then you just take the bulb, or take the light, wiggle it back into place. Make sure everything's nice and solid. Something's wrong here. Okay, you want to make sure this thing goes in here. That's why we need to use 2 hands. Okay, once you have it all aligned and nice, a little bit tap on the light and you're good. Then we just remove, then we just put back 2 screws we took out before, and we're all set. So this is the whole procedure. Hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.